Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Rasmin and today in this video I'm going to share something really interesting and super cool too. So stick with me till the end. Lately I fell in love with this Cowpre mobile covers, so thought why not give it a try and share a quick tutorial with you. Most of us have this regular kind of transparent mobile covers which turns yellow after a long time, right? So this is what we are going to reuse today. Before starting, I have cleaned my cover with a face wash. It's totally optional, I just wanted to make sure it's clean. Now we will need two acrylic paints, white and a black one. So this will just cost you rupees 20 each. Most of us have this at our home. Next we will need a sponge, just a small piece. A paintbrush, you can take a round paintbrush, flat, everything would work. And next we will need a pencil to draw. Next we will need a good varnish to protect our paint. Here I will use Kurlon Crystal Clear Varnish. If you don't have it, that's fine. And that's it, we don't need anything else. So starting off with the process, first we will take a good amount of white paint on the palette and start painting the cover white using a sponge. Also make sure you place the cover on a rough sheet or any newspaper while painting, because at the end you will realize you have ruined the table. I wanted to thank you all for the immense love and support on my previous shots. I'm totally shocked. One of my video, that is butterfly bookmark, you all loved it so much that it crossed lakhs of views, and I'm really very happy. I'm super grateful too. Thank you so much. Well, we're almost done with our first coat, but it's not giving a good finish. So let it dry for some time and then apply a second coat of paint. We are done again with our second coat and it looks way more better than the first one, so we will let it dry for some time. So finally our base looks ready with two coats only. Now we will draw small, big, oval, round spots with free hands with the help of a pencil. Relax, that's okay, you don't have to be an artist. I'm not an artist either. That's easy, don't worry too much, just draw. Your drawings are perfect. You can take this picture as a reference. Try to fill the free spaces with any kind of figures, with random figures, that's fine. Just make it round shape, oval, and that's okay. Once we get the outline, we will start filling the spots with black acrylic paint. It's so fun and easy, you should definitely try. I wanted to finish the painting in a single coat, so I'm not adding any water to the paint, and I would also recommend you to do the same. Also, anyone new here, please do like and subscribe to my channel, it's totally free. After I have finished, I had let it dry, so it's completely dry now. So I'm spraying this varnish so that the paint doesn't fade. If you don't have varnish, that's fine, no issues, you can skip. Voila, it's done. Here's few mirror snaps I enjoyed clicking. I loved how it turned out with zero budget. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments, and whoever fails to buy such cow print covers, I have left the link to Amazon. You can shop there. Ta-da! See you in the next video. Till then, take care.